Developing leaders to be more productive, quicker, makes business sense.
When you work for a jerk, you suffer at work. When you work for a great leader, you're inspired to be a great leader.
Mentoring or coaching can help make this a lot quicker and the leader more productive.
They need you, coaches and psychologists. You can make the difference.
Research shows that 74% of successful leaders have had at least one intolerable boss. These brilliant jerks cause distress in the organization through excess turnover, absenteeism, and much more. These brilliant jerks have 20/20 vision on results but are interpersonally blind. Does this sound like some of your leaders? Are you brilliant but difficult? My name is Dr. Katrina Burrus, and my mission is to help these brilliant jerks be inspiring leaders and inspire coworkers beyond status, beyond money, and create a culture of civil behavior where all stakeholders succeed to a bigger purpose.
I love it. It's relatable.
Setting the organization to win and yourself as a coach, and you really articulated that well.
You know, I absolutely love the presentation. I like the fact that you gave some very specific steps. I really enjoyed the session.
I really liked the concept of a brilliant jerk because I think that we see that a lot in our society as women. We have to be really strong up against that.